Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SUREWIN salt and pepper mill set. Ooh, these are two adjustable ceramic grinders. It is an salt and a pepper mill. And of course you can use inside not only salt and pepper, chilies too, possible for example. The combination of high quality acrylic material and stainless steel, this is not only has a beautiful appearance, but it is also a high quality and durable materials. The salt and pepper mill is an indispensable small tool for anyone who like to cook. This salt and pepper mill has a sealed lid that allows us to lock in the freshness of the salt and pepper to keep the dishes free. And providing customers with high quality products is the top goal of the brand SUREWIN. Of course, after countless experiments, they have developed a high-quality acrylic material that looks very similar to glass, but is harder than glass. The combination of ceramic grinding core and the stainless steel makes the salt and pepper mill set of two stronger and more durable. The ceramic mill is non-corrosive. It does not absorb taste and retains the original taste of the spice. We can operate the stainless steel knob of the salt and pepper mill according to our wishes and does easily grind different thickness. That's easy, that's fast, and of course it will be delicious. The SUREWIN salt and pepper mill set of two comes with a size from 7 to 1.8 inches. Unscrew the stainless steel lid to fill it with, for example, Himalaya salt or peppercorns. Easy to clean, just need to wipe gently. It will be very clean, of course. This salt mill ceramic grinder is an indispensable tool for anyone who loves food and cooking. And it is also very satisfying gift, for example. They have more than 20 years of professional production experience in the field of the kitchenware. They focus on designing kitchen utensils, appliances that makes it easier and use high quality materials to produce the best product on the market. Oh yeah, that's really cool, and it looks really nice. The smooth bottle body is stylish and elegant while so ideal for use in the kitchen. The body of the bottle is completely transparent and we can see clearly when it is empty. So we have time to refill it with spices. These mills have an adjustable ceramic coarse grinder that allows us to choose the desired coarseness. Its salt mills are easy to use and it's easy to clean too. Grinding clockwise, job's done. The combination of high quality acrylic and stainless steel not only looks beautiful, but it is really high quality and high, nice and durable look. These products have sealed lid that allows the odor inside and not in the next spice. Easy to refill. The large diameter makes filling really easy, no spilling and the expensive spices on the floor. Simply pour in the salt, the pepper or spice of our choice and watch them fill up. Job's done. And the pepper mill and the salt mill are in the size of 7 inches height and 1.8 inches. That's easy to clean. We just need to wipe it off and job's done. And we have an adjustable grinder. Salt and pepper mill with the adjustable grinder, we can easily adjust the grinder button to choose the coarseness easily. We rotate it clockwise to make it fine, and we counterclockwise to make it a little bit harder and rougher with the SUREWIN salt and pepper mill set of two. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.